The three fastest birds, stooping speed. The peregrine falcon is, without doubt, the fastest of all birds. It's been measured moving at speeds of up to 390 km per hour when stooping. The Seka falcon is renowned as an exceptional hunter, which combined with its incredible diving speed of 320 km per hour allows it to hunt small and medium-sized mammals and birds, sometimes larger than itself. Although golden eagles are the third fastest diving bird, it's actually unusual for these giant birds to reach their top speed by stooping at 240 km per hour. They usually hunt by flying low over land and striking prey with their talons.